Hi guys, today I would like to discuss the exercise 2.1 from the CBSE textbook. Okay. Now, first problem is if order pair x by 3 plus 1 comma y minus 2 by 3 is equals to order pair 5 by 3 comma 1 by 3, then find the values of x and y. Okay, we know very well by the definition of order pairs, if two order pairs are equal, then the first components of the order pairs are equal and also second components of the order pairs are also equal. So here what are the first components? So equal them. X by 3 plus 1 is equals to 5 by 3. Now subtract both sides with minus 1. Now x by 3 is equals to 5 by 3 minus 1. X by 3 is equals to 5 minus 3 by 3. X by 3 is equals to 2 by 3. So x is equals to 2 into 3 by 3. This implies x is equals to 2. Because numerator 3, denominator 3 are cancelled. Now find the y value. Equal the second components. Y minus 2 by 3 is equals to 1 by 3. So y is equals to 1 by 3 plus 2 by 3. So y is equals to, if denominators are equal, when we adding two fractions, if denominators are equal, then numerator should be added. So 1 plus 2 by 3. So y is equals to 3 by 3. So y is equals to 1. Therefore the values of x and y are x is equals to 2 and y equals to 1. This is the required values. Second problem. If the set A has 3 elements and the set B is equal to 3, 4, 5, then find the number of elements in A cross B. We know very well number of elements in A cross B is equals to number of elements A into number of elements in B. Okay. So already we know that number of elements in A is equals to 3. This is given. And number of B is equals to, B has 3 elements. So this is also 3. Now A cross B is equals to 3 into 3. This is equal to 9. So then the number of elements in A cross B is 9. Now the next problem is, if G is equals to set 7, 8 and H is equal to set 5, 4, 2, then find G cross H and H cross D. By the definition of Cartesian product of two sets, we can write it A cross B is equals to collection of all order pairs. The first element comes from the set A and the second element comes from the set B. So now write G cross H means 7, 8 cross 5, 4, 2. Now check. Now make the order pairs like that. First fix the element 7 in the set G, then make order pairs with elements in H. 7, 5, 7, 4 and 7, 2. Now fix the element 8 and make the order pairs with the elements in set B. 8, 5, 8, 4 and 8, 2. This is the Cartesian product of sets G and H, which means G cross H. Now find the H cross G. 5, 4, 2 cross 7, 8. The set 7, 8. Now first fix the elements in the set H and make the order pairs with the elements in set G. Now fix the element 5 here. Now make the order pairs 5 comma 7 comma 5 comma 8. Now again fix the element 4 in the set H, then 4 comma 7 4 comma 8. Now fix the element 2 in the set H and make the order pairs with the elements in G. Now 2 comma 7 and 2 comma 8. So this is the required H cross G. So this is the required set. Okay. Now check whether the statements are true or false. If the statement is false, then make it correct. Okay. First statement is, if P is equals to set M comma N and Q is equal to set N comma N, then P cross Q is equals to set of M comma N and N comma N. We can say this statement is absolutely false because this is false statement, because number of elements in P is 2, number of elements in Q is 2. So the number of elements in P cross Q should be 2 into 2 is equals to 4. Okay, but the number of elements here P cross Q given only 2 elements. So this statement is absolutely false. Now make it correct. P cross Q. Make the order pairs M comma into N comma M. Now fix the element M in the set P and make the order pairs in the set Q. Now M associated with N, this is the one order pair. Next M comma M, this is the another order pair. Now fix the element N in the set P and make the order pairs with the elements in set Q. N associated with N and N associated with M. So this is the required set P cross Q, though given statement is false. Now come to the second statement. If A and B are non-empty sets, then A cross B is a non-empty set of order pairs x comma y such that x belongs to A and y belongs to B. This statement is absolutely true. By the definition of order pairs, we can say if A comma B are two non-empty sets, then A cross B, defined A cross B x comma y such that x belongs to A, y belongs to B. So this is the definition of the order pair. So this is true. Now come to the third statement. If A is equals to set 1 comma 2 and B is equals to 3 comma 4, then A cross B intersection 5 is equals to 5. Now first find the B intersection 5. Intersection means, by the definition of intersection, we have to take the common elements, but here there is no common elements because 5 has no elements at all and B has elements 3 comma 4, but these two sets have no common elements, though B intersection 5 is always is 5. Okay, now find A cross 5. This is also empty set, because if you want to write the order pairs, first element comes from the set A and the second element comes from the set 5, but second element 5 has no elements to make the order pairs. So A cross 5 is also empty set. So final result is equals to 5 is true statement. Now come to the next problem. If A is equal to set minus 1 comma 1, find A cross A. We should know the elements in A cross A are order triplets, not order pairs, because here we have 3 sets. Okay. Now write A cross A as okay. Now make the order triplets here. Now fix the first element -1. Make the order triplets with another 2 sets. Now this is the first one. We can write like this: -1, -1, 1. And second one we can write it, fix this one and write this one. So -1, -1, 1. Okay. Now -1 with map with 1, and this is -1. So -1, 1, -1. Similarly, this -1 with 1 and second one. Now if we fix -1 here, we can write 4 order triplets. Now again similarly, if we fix 1 here, we can make it another 4 order triplets. See how. 1 map with -1 and -1, 1, -1, -1. Next one, we'll fix the 1 here and fix the -1 here and change it 1. So 1, -1, 1. Next come to the second one. 1 maps with 1 with -1, 1, 1, -1. Now 1 with 1 and change here 1. So 1, 1, 1. This is the required set. So it has 8 elements. We can check it by formula. Number of elements in A cross A is equals to number of elements in A into number of elements in A into number of elements in A. This means 2 into 2 into 2. This is equals to 8. Total we have 8 elements. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is the required set. Now come to the next problem. Now if A cross B is equal to set A comma X, order pair A comma Y, order pair B comma X and order pair B comma Y. Find the sets A and B. We know very well the first components comes from the set A and the second components comes from the set B. So write the first components as set A. What are the first components here? A. This is also A. Here B. Here B. But in roster form, we should take the repeated element at one time. So A is equals to A comma B. Now write the set B. The elements in set B comes from the second components of the order pairs. Now what are the second components here? X, Y, here X, here Y. So in the roster form we have taken repeated elements only one time. So X comma Y. This is the required set B and this is the required set A. Now come to the next one. Let A is equal to set 1 comma 2 and B is equal to set 1 2 3 4, C is equal to 5 comma 6 and D is equal to 5 6 7. To verify that A cross B intersection C is equal to A cross B intersection A cross C, and also A cross C is a subset of B cross D. Now verify LHS. Now verify A cross B intersection C is equals to A cross B intersection A cross C. Now first LHS, take LHS. A cross B intersection C. Now B intersection C. First find the B intersection C. What is the B intersection C? The elements in B are 1, 2, 3, 4. The elements in C is C are 5, 6. But if you want to find the intersection, we have to take the common elements. But B and C have no common elements here. So what happened? B intersection C is empty set. There is no common elements. A cross 5. We know very well, if one set is empty and another set is non-empty, the Cartesian product of the two sets are again empty set. So this is empty. Next one, come to the RHS. What is the RHS? A cross B intersection A cross C. Now find A cross B first. What is the set A? 1, 2. What is the set B? 1, 2, 3, 4. Now make the order pairs 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, and with 2, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4. Okay, now find the A cross C. A cross C. A 1, 2, C 5, 6. The set 5, 6. Make the order pairs like this: 1, 5, 1, 6, 2, 5, 2, 6. Notice that A cross B and A cross C have no common order pairs. See, 1, 1, there is no 1, 1, 1, 2, no, 1, 3, no. So similarly, there is no common elements in these two sets. So intersection of these two sets is empty set. Okay, so from LHS we got the 5 and RHS we got the 5. So LHS is equals to RHS, hence proved. Now come to the second one. Show that A cross C is a subset of B cross D. Now find the set A cross C. One, 2 cross 5, 6, set 5, 6. Make the order pairs 1, 5 and 1, 6, 2, 5, 2, 6. Now find the Cartesian product B cross D. What are the sets B and D? B is 1, 2, 3, 4 and D is equals to 5, 6, 7, 8. Now make the order pairs. First fix the element 1, 5, 1, 6, 1, 7, 1, 8. Similarly with 2, 2, 5, 2, 6, 2, 7, 2, 8, and similarly with 3, 3, 5, 3, 6, 3, 7, and 3, 8, and similarly with 4, 4, 5, 4, 6, 4, 7, 4, 8. Notice that what is the subset definition? If a set A is a subset of B, then every element in A is also element in B. Now check it. the elements in A cross B is the elements in B cross D or not. So 1 comma 5 is also element in B cross D, 1 comma 6 is also element in B cross D, 2 comma 5 is also element in B cross D, 2 comma 6 is also element in 2 comma 6. So it satisfies the subset definition. So A cross B, A cross C is a subset of B cross D. Symbolically, A cross C is subset of B cross D. Okay. Now come to the next problem. Let A is equal to set 1 comma 2 and B is equal to set 3 comma 4. Write Cartesian product of these two sets A cross B. Then how many subset will A cross B have? And also we have to list them. Okay. Now first write the Cartesian product of these two sets. One comma 3, 1 comma 4, 2 comma 3, 2 comma 4. Now find how many subset will A cross B have. But here we have to notice that let A is a set having n elements, means n of A is equals to n. Number of elements in A is n, then the number of subsets of A should be 2 to the power of n of A. For example, if n of A and the number of elements in A is 3, then the number of subsets of A should be 2 to the power of 3, means 8. We have to keep it in your mind. Okay. Now how many subsets will A cross B? So here A cross B, we know the number of elements in A cross B we have to find by this using this formula n of A into n of B. Okay. Now A has 2 elements, so n of A is equal to 2. B has also 2 elements, so n of B is equals to 2. So 4 elements. So the number of elements in A cross B is equals to 4. So how many number of subsets of A cross B? By using the formula 2 to the power of n of A cross B, means number of elements in A cross B. But we know that number of elements in A cross B is 4. So total we have 16 subsets of A cross B. We have 16 subsets. Now list them. Now to list all the subsets of A cross B, first find the elements in A cross B. A cross B is equals to order pair 1 comma 3, 1 comma 4, 2 comma 3, 2 comma 4. Now write the all subsets of A cross B. Already we know that how many subsets of A cross B are 16. Now we have to note that 16 subsets. Okay. Now we know that empty set is the subset of every set. So first set is empty set. Now second one is the set containing only single elements, because by the definition of subset the set has element 1 comma 3 which is also element in A cross B. So this is also a subset of A cross B. Similarly 1 comma 4 and similarly 2 comma 3 and similarly 2 comma 4. This is the subsets of A cross B. And now collect the elements 2 elements. Now 1 comma 3, the set contain 1 comma 3 and 1 comma 4. Now fix the element here 1 comma 3. Okay. Now next set is 1 comma 3 and 2 comma 3, and next set is 1 comma 3 and 2 comma 4. Okay, now fix this one and collect two elements. Next 1 comma 4, 2 comma 3 is one set, and again 1 comma 4 and 2 comma 4 is another set. Next, now fix the 2 comma 3 and write it 2 comma 3 and 2 comma 4 as one set. Okay, this is the subsets of containing two elements. Now find the subsets of A cross B containing three elements. Now 1 comma 3, 1 comma 4, 2 comma 3 is also one set. This is one set. Next one 1 comma 3, 1 comma 4, 2 comma 4 is also again one set. Okay, now next one is the set 1 comma 3, 2 comma 3, next 2 comma 4. This is the again set. Next set is 1 comma 4, 2 comma 3 and 2 comma 4. These are the subsets containing three elements. Okay, now count the how many elements we have now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. But we have subsets should be 16. What is the last set? We know that every set is a subset of itself. So A cross B is also a one set, which is also a subset. So we have 16 subsets. Next problem. Let A and B two sets such that n of A is equal to 3 and n of B is equal to 2. If order pairs x comma 1 and y comma 2, z comma 1 are in A cross B, means the Cartesian product of these two sets A and B. Find A and B. Now find the sets A and B. Okay, where x comma y and z are distance elements. Okay, now by the definition of order pair A cross B, the elements, collection of all elements, all order pairs A comma B such that A belongs to A and B belongs to B. Here we have to notice that A should come from the set A and B should come from set B. So first components are elements belongs to the set A and the second components are belongs to the set B. So here what are the first components? X, Y, Z belongs to the set A. So A is equals to X, Y, Z. So how many elements A have? 3. So given n of A is equal to 3. So it verifies. Now the second components should come the set B. What are the second components? B is equals to 1, 2, 1. But here 1 occur 2 times. So in roster form we should take 1 time. No repetition allowed. So B is equal to set 1 comma 2. Okay. Now come to the next problem. The Cartesian product A cross A has 9 elements, among which are found minus 1 comma 0 and 0 comma 1. Find the set A and the remaining elements of A cross A. Here in a Cartesian product of two sets, these two sets are equal, these same sets. Here same set we have A and A. So the first elements minus 1 comma 0 comes from the set A and 0 also comes from the set A. So the A should be A is equal to minus 1, 0, 1. Okay. Now find A cross A. Now make the order pairs. Fix the element minus 1 in A. Now make the order pairs with three elements in set A minus 1 comma minus 1 minus 1 comma 0 minus 1 comma 1. Next one, fix the element 0 here, 0 comma minus 1, 0 comma 0, next 0 comma 1. Now fix the element 1, make the order pairs 1 comma minus 1, 1 comma 0, 1 comma 1. So how many elements in A cross A? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So A cross A has 9 elements also verifies. I completed the all problems in the section 2.1. So if you like this video,